is it such that there's a level that you can't design beyond, where you still need to allow for some kind of inspection in there, and is that where a robot could play? Or actually, is it possible to completely design the need for inspection? And therefore, I'll stop there with that question, because I've got another one. let's answer that question.
I think I'm answering the question you're asking. And I kind of see this as, I mean, the inspection piece is a big one, right? I mean, that's a lot of hours go to inspection, and not formal inspectors necessarily, but even an operator walking around that facility, that is an inspection in the broadest sense. You know, I think this is a kind of a triangle of technologies, if you will. I think new materials will require less inspection, right? You could design a facility with completely corrosion resistant materials. It would be expensive, but you could do that, removing the need and no flanges, nothing. I mean, it just, there's downsides to that, don't get me wrong, but you know, as one corner of that triangle, the other corner of that triangle is any inspections that we would want to do, we could just outfit it with sensors, right? That would be another extreme. And the other extreme would be, you know, build them like they are today and just have robots go out and actually do all inspection, right? And I think, again, I think it's going to be somewhere in between. I don't think we know enough about the robots at this point and the application in the industrial, in the site, to really understand about how close to that extreme, or is it the sensors? I mean, new sensor technology, as you said. I mean, I hooked up cameras around my house, which I'd been holding off because I didn't want to run wire, right? And why did I finally do it? Because I've got a AA battery that lasts 2 years and they're completely wireless, right? I mean, you know, the technology is getting better. Those will eventually be ATEX certified if the industry goes there. Yeah. And so I don't need to have roaming eyes. I can potentially just have constant eyes. So
that's right. And that's more cost effective. Yeah. It's very low maintenance. Yeah.